Ah! Hello, everybody. How are we doing today? Are we doing okay? Yeah? We doing okay? What is up, my little pudding pups? It's good to see you, Omni Absolute. Hello, I hope you're all having a good day. Just got home. Nice. Ready to do some math homework? Oh, it's math time. Math time. Oh. Ooh. Okie dokie. Well, let's talk about that later then. I got math homework I gotta do. We gotta get through 25 questions today. 25 questions today and 25 questions tomorrow. Sound good? I'm hoping that it won't be too bad. We should be alright. I think it'll be okay. I should put some music on. Bum 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 ba da 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 da. Where's some cute little? Here we go. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Alright, you guys ready for this? Oh, I can make myself big again. Cycle! Ooh, migraines are no fun. That's not good. That's not good at all. No good. Yeah, okay. Alright, you guys ready for some math? So, first question we've got here is x to the 34th power. And we've got to simplify. How are we going to do this? Okay, so I think basically what we're doing is find an expression such that when it is square, this is the answer. So we are looking for basically dividing this number by 2. Which, right. Yeah. What is 34 divided by 2? Hey, Giga Chad, what's up? You excited for some math today? 34 divided by 2 equals 17. So we are looking at 17 x and that squared. So that would be our answer. Let's input it in. Think? Oh, what? Why is it not that? Would it be whatever the square of 34 is? So the root of 34? What would that be? 34... Yes, it is math time. Is that not right? Why does the key of the music sound lower? I don't know, man. I can turn up the music a bit if that's what you mean, but this is just background music. So why isn't this correct? Why is it not 17 squared? Why would it be 33? I don't think. Because this example that they have. Yes, it is x 17 squared. That whole expression is there 17 to the 17th power. Example that they have is x to 46. Our answer is, oh, you know what? I probably don't need to do the square. That's probably what it is. It's probably just 17. Yeah, it's just 17. Okay. That's all. It's just 17. No need for the extra exponent. Okay, now we have the next one, which is going to be 3 1/8. To find the cube of the root. So would this just be 2? I'm thinking it would be 1/2, because that's just... Yep. Cool. I'm getting this better than I thought I would. That means you're multiplying x by itself 17 times. So you square 17, then you're multiplying x 7 by itself 2 times. Multiply x by itself, so it's multiplied by itself 30 times. I totally understood all of that, Damien. Oh, totally. Yeah, baby. Okay, so 4 to ask for the real number, which one raised to the 4th power equals that. So we are looking for a number 256. What would... So we're like kind of... We're doing the opposite of a power of an exponent. It was going to be... Wait. Can this be done? Because it's not a real number. The root is not a real number. This is not... It can't happen because of this. Can't happen because this is even and negative can't exist if it's even. Yeah. Smart cookie am I, aren't I? I deserve all the treats. Thank you very much. Okay, so now we got an f of x equals x minus 2. The domain is... Why are you still asking me? The domain is 6, 0, infinity. I can do that. 0, comma, infinity. Okay, cool. We're doing good. It looks like. Like that, with a bracket and the parentheses. Gotta make sure to add the bracket though. That's fair. Identify the domain and then graph the function. Whoa, okay. So it started 0, 2, hold on, it's got a bunch of. Domain is all the numbers that it can't be. Got a valid input, so what it can be. So x0 infinity numbers y. I see. So the x is on the 0 line, therefore it's going to be this one. Frick you. Turn back to home. Similar question. Bum bum ba dum bum bum. Ba 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 ba. Hold on, I have to do this a couple of times. I might not be very good with the graphs. There we go. Got it. Ah, it's fine. I got it. I got it. No need to worry. I didn't expect there to be graphs and domains and range on this part of the stuff. Interesting. Okay, so we got g of x equals 3x minus y, and it's in the thing. The domain function of infinity to infinity. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. No. This is not what I thought it was going to be. This is nothing like the worksheet. I don't like it. Negative and now I have to complete the table on the right. Okay, we just have to do this couple times, so I'm just gonna swap this in for y right now. Is that not a real number? You're right. So this one would equal 0. So 2 minus 1. Was that still... It's not 0 again, is it? No. That does make a 1 inside of it. And you can't do that, so it'd be like, what, 0.333333 repeating? Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah, 1 times 1 times 1 equals 1. 0 and 1. So then we put in -7. It's -8. Which would be 2, right? Because -2 times -2 times -2 would equal 8. Okay. Then we've got 9. Would be a +2. And then 0. Let's make 0, right? Would just be 0 again. Because first one. -1, okay. Alright. I'm actually 1 to catch up. Yes, once I'm starting to get it. You may need to skip a grade? God, that's the first time anyone's ever told me that. You realize I've been held back. I appreciate the compliment, but I think you're wrong. Excellent! Yay! Oh, now I have to graph it. Maybe not skipping. No, I do have to still do another math class. I'm trying to decide between statistics or another algebra. Okay, so let's see. We've got 0 and -1, so let's look for that. Maybe... I think it's gonna be C. Yeah! I got it. I just went to the one that had 0 and -1 on it, because it's like the easiest one to find, right? What's statistics like? Is it fun? It was told it's good IRL stuff. Bleh. We've got B equals HW homework over 3131. B is the individual's body surface. In square meters. H is the individual's height in inches, and W is the individual's weight in pounds. Do we do this for me? Wait, let me go weigh myself really quick. Not gonna out myself as fat to everybody, but I'll be right back. Wait. Wait a second! Wait a second! Oh wait, what's 5 times 12 inches is 12 is 62 inches? 62 inches. Okay, so I've gained a little weight. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Let's see, 62 times... And then we divide that by 131. That equals... Am I doing this right? Function. Where that? H equals 2.14 square meters of body surface. That's how much Undeer has. Like that. Actually, in meters. Oh, wait, meters squared. I see. Anyway. Oh, wait, hold on. Lawrence, can't forget those. Very important. Okay, now we do this with the, what it wants us to do it with. So we're looking at, 63 inches. How did they be taller than me? Times 1 for 2 pounds. And lighter! Dun 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 dun. Do 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 do. Do not round find an answer. Then round to 2 decimal places as needed. Nine. No wait. 6. 9. Haha, funny number. I just have to put the m squared. Are there m squared at body surfaces or whatever? What? I have to round it, so that'd be 1.70 meters. Checking answer. What? Maybe then. Yeah, I just didn't want me to round it. If only it was 6, 7. Isn't 6, 7 done already? I feel like that's old news. That's so 2025. Right? Like, come on. Get with the times, kid. How do you do, fellow man? I have no idea what that is. I'll write this out as nice as I can. Okay, this one's easy. Dung tung sar. Is that one of those Italian brain rot things, or I don't know, man. I don't know. So we're using the AM AN equals M plus I see. All right. I see what it's saying. This is also why. looks like that. Right. You see what I got going on here? And then these ones would be the y plus 2. This one would be y. Is it gonna be a negative? For this one? I feel like this one's gonna be a negative. Don't want to get rid of it. Like, this top part is still positive, but the y itself is negative. You know what I mean, right? It doesn't just here. There's only one negative. Okay, these ones become y with a 1 on top because these equals 3 over 3. Weehee. These ones we do have to turn into both 5 and 15, so we got which is going to be 5 and a 3. So we have 5 and which equals 7 over 15, which I don't think can be. No, it's 8. Hold on, don't get your arithmetic wrong. It'd be 8 over 15. Oh wait, that just goes away because there is no y to the 1 is just y. Minus 8 over y. Right? So, I hope everybody is having an amazing and wonderful day. Yeah, we are back with the math! We are back with the math. Being the best math doers that we can be. Okay, so then this is our answer right here. Write it out nicer. Y minus y with an over 15. This is our answer. Math tuber in the world. Thank you very much. I think this is what the system wants me to do. I think this is what it wants from me. Nice work! Yeah, that's what I wanted. The algorithm wants this. Yes, the algorithm wants me to become so popular. But we are on question 8. Yeah, we're on question 8. But it's okay. That means we've got give me a second. We've got what, 22? Wait, no. We've got 13 more questions to go. 8 minus 25. 13 questions to go. Bum bum bum. Bum bum ba dun da da dun da da dun da da da. Bum bum da dun dun da dun 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 dun. Da da da. Da 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 da. Bum 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 bum. Okay, we've got X 1/4 with That's gonna be a fun one. Sure, let me get easier for you to see. So it's going to be x 1/4 times 3x minus 3x to the 1/4. So that way we still got it going into each one. Right? That's what the example is showing me. Then from there we can quote unquote combine like terms, right? But eh? Why would it be the 5/4? Oh, because there's a 4/4 with this one. I see. Okay. I think that's all that they want from me. It's not super complicated. Even though it's definitely interesting, to say the least. Yep, that's what I wanted. And these two get added together to make that. Okay, now we've got these are in parentheses as well. Crash! Hi! Oh, you hate doing this? That's okay. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. It's not the worst thing in the world, in my opinion. It could be so much worse. -5. Well... Hi, understanding the beauty in math. No, I mean, the way you're doing it. I hate doing it that way. Fair enough, but I'm an amateur at this, remember? So I gotta do it very baby steps, like... Think of it as binomials and FOIL! Oh, don't you guys just love the FOIL? Yeah, so we gotta do first, which is going to be 4x 1 3 times 4x 1, 3, and that equals 16x and 2/3. We've got first outer. I mean, that's fair. A lot of the times working with decimals is easier, but fortunately this is the point. I have to learn how to do this. Let's see. First outer, so that's gonna be 5 times for x third, -5 and 3/3. Those are exponents, so it would be negative 20 x with 4/3. Right? Right? Okay, and then first inner got positive 5 for x. Positive x for thirds. And then we're going to get negative 15, because 5 times negative 5 is negative 15. So our new problem is now 16x 2/3 minus 20x and 4/3 plus 20x 4/3 minus 15. And now we can simplify the middle terms, add the product rule for the exponent. Combine these two. Oh, because they cancel each other out, don't they? But the exponents don't go away? The secret they're trying to keep from you, wonder if the math government doesn't want you to know this. Oh, it's about to die. Treasure. Yes, then. That's also not it. They cancel this. Yes! Hi, Crash! I hope you're having a good day. Sorry. So they cancel out. it cancel out, or is it now 20? Where does this X come from in their example? There's like this X. It's like 1 over 3. Their answer would be no, that's not the answer. Why? Don't think I missed a negative anywhere. I should ask Elliot to come help me figure it out. What's the problem? Hmm? This one? But it should be. What is equal negative? Or 20x to the power of 1/3. Why is it just 1/3? Would it not? Is it because technically there is no that, so it just carries over? But how does that change our solution here? There's no X attached to the 5. No X attached to the 5. I'm gonna see what they want as the final answer. That's what their correct answer is. I don't know why. We've got another, we're all a little dumb, actually. It's okay, it's okay. We can do this again. Go back up. Well, I have to do it over again anyway. What is it? Five times 5 is 25. Okay, well, that is on me. That's on me. Damn. Damn. Okay, so this new one is this, so I'm thinking it's going to be probably 9x 2/3 minus 16 is gonna be our answer. It's pattern recognition. If I'm right, I'm gonna feel so cool. Fantastic! I got it! Well... Well... It just times this and these, and then times this and this. Wow. I wrote a 9 again. Okay, now we're on to 10. 10? Yeah, 10. We're on 10. The number of cellular telephone subscribers in a country from 2010 to 2015 can be modeled by fx equals 218 x 1/10. Hello, 2011. How are you doing today? Welcome in. Hope you're having a good day. Where fx is the number of cellular telephone subscriptions in millions. X is years after 2010. And this model is used to estimate the number of collected cellular subscriptions in 2013. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Yeah, so it's just actually, I'm gonna stuff this. You know, I'm not gonna finish that. Gotta be nice. Because I'm Endir, and I'm very nice. I don't threaten people. Not at all. You know, if you guys are good to me, I might do some karaoke here at the end. If you're good, I do some karaoke. Sing a math song? No, I don't know any math songs. Pie song? 3.14156 3? I don't remember pi. 5, 1, 6, 9. Three point one four one five nine two 6535. That's how many I remember. Honestly, I was not far off. I'd like some credit for not being too far off, for not having stated it in like 10 years. Honestly, not far off. My school celebrated Pi Day, and we always had competitions to see who could do the longest amount of pie. And I remember the kid who won in my grade went off to Berkeley, or I think Brown, actually. Yeah. Okay, so 2013, so we put in 3 for X. That's not how you rate that. Why did I make 3 the size of how I write X? You wanted to go to Brown? Why not? Why didn't you get it in? Is it too expensive? Probably too expensive. It's probably really expensive. I bet it's very expensive. So how do I... I guess that's fair. Did they decide that they did not, wish to have you? If so, they're missing out on what could be our next Einstein, man. You never even applied? Why not? You miss 100% of the chances you don't take. You goober. Do 18 times 1 slash 10. Gonna divide by 0. Damn it. I need to put that in. I did write a 3. It's a 3. That is a 3. It's a 3. I don't know how to do this. How do you times this by anything? Ah, interesting. But I like... Wee. But how do I times this to 218? This means take a 10th root of 3. But how do I do that? How do I find the 10th root of something? What would that number be? I don't even know how to go about finding that, because this is not just as simple as like timesing it by 1/10. It's irrational, so it makes me irrationally angry, that's for sure. Simplest. How do I times the 2.18? They just do it in the thing. It's just like, yeah, this equals that, so, you know, figure it out. Can I, Graphing calculator. Power? Setting, time, speed, area, energy, temperature, weight, and mass, length, volume, currency, date calculations, programmer, graphing, scientific, and standard. I feel like you can, but I don't know how to use the calculator to find this even. I'm so cooked I don't even know how to use the calculator. There are parentheses! Oh my god, yes, right. 3 parentheses 1 divided by 10 in parentheses. Oh shit, here we go again. It's math. Now I can times that by 1, 2, 8. That equals... This equals 243.31. So it'd be 243.3? Yay! We did it! We did it! We did it! Hooray! Fill in the blank to correct the thing. Oh, my tooth hurts. My tooth hurts. 30. No, it does hurt though. This is 11, and she saw my comment. What do you mean? Of course I saw your comment. I can see the chat on YouTube. Surprisingly, for once, like, I've got it up. I am! Make sure to send me anything funny that happens. Please. And send me a screenshot of what you've made me look like. Did you put Deus on? Gotta put Deus on. Make sure you add Deus. I'd buy the game if it wasn't $70 goddamn for the Switch too. I'm broke AF, so I can't get it. I'd love to play it though. I think it'd be really fun for stream. Well, I haven't really had time to play games recently. Let me focus. No, because I have a Switch 2, so I have to buy the Switch 2 version. Friggin' $70. Redonkulous. Redonkulous. Mm-hmm. There isn't a Switch 2 version, so it was just 60? Oh, Still, $60 is a lot. It's still a lot. Nine. Gotta make sure you write this correctly. Mm-hmm. This equals... Now simplify. I sent you here on the island. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Gave me freckles? Huh. Why do you have the game in French? Why is your game in French? Half the people have freckles because they're funny. Huh. It is helpful for learning. I guess that's fair. That's fair. So I think this is our answer. 659. Excellent! Ah, you know, fair enough. Find the different distance between the pair of these two coordinates. It's going to be 12. So we have the coordinates 4, 4 and 9, 16, x, y1, x2, y2. I believe what we're looking at the formula where we go like 16 minus 4 over 9 minus 4, right? Equals what we're looking at, so we're at 12 over 5. 12/5? Is that right? I'm finding the slope, not the distance. What is this? This is crazy looking. I blinked too many times. Ah! Ah! Mm. Mm. Eh. Ah. There we go. Got something in my eye, probably an eyelash. Ah. Don't blink too much. Right. In the Discord, I want you to put in song recommendations for karaoke later. I only do the ones that I know, but like, you know. Whatever you recommend, I'll do. If I know it. Yeah. Anyway. So now I put these in for that. So... that's gonna be 7 and squared. 7 squared is 49. No. 7 times 7 is 42. Right. It's just gonna be... It was 49. Does it even matter? It's just gonna be... 7. Isn't it? What? Am I crazy? What's going on here? Does Deus have freckles? No, he has great skin. He's Korean, remember? He's a Korean dude. Honestly, it'd just be really fun to put, like... the OCs in there. Maybe make some new OCs. No, no freckles. His skin is flawless, like porcelain. No freckles for Deus. To be inaccurate. Oh, you know what? Hold on. No. Undyr would have a little bit of freckles. No, Undyr do get... Undyr's skin ain't perfect. Where is it? I was working on a ref sheet for Deus and it's gone now. I don't know what happened to it. Guess I didn't save it or something, but... Here. Show you guys this. I'm working on some lore things, so I came up with some ideas. Deus here, you know? Got this. Deus skin is fair, yeah. So I was working on his outfit. You see Undyr in like a mech. The back of Deus's outfit for the stuff. He has a gun. Yeah. And then, because I like to have Viroids of everybody, I care. South Korean. But there's some more research I need to do, but... You know, it's kind of cool. I need to work on the hair, though. I struggle with hair and Viroids so much. It's not accurate. Research into some Korean mythical legends. Mythic. Yeah, I need to work on it. I realized recently, actually, that they're- oh. Hairstyle, where was it? Was it... Look, they have it in here. I just need to figure out how to adapt it to his hairstyle. I wish I could select multiple groups at a time. Because I can't just move them all forward. I see. Okay, interesting. That's how it does it. So it's got... Interesting. Okay, well, I may take that into... No, close that. Yeah, anyway, I'll figure that out at some point, but yeah, I was working on his outfit. I think it's looking pretty chill so far. I think the orange gradient to red is kind of cool. But there's still a lot of stuff that needs to be worked on when it comes to this. Do the body wave thing again. So wholesome. Put a camera up. This is an animation. Yeah, this is definitely a dais. Let's see. Also got this. I need to make like a chart of all the characters that inspired me for N. Or for Deus here. He's a polite boy. But he's also impatient, I would say. Let me see. Close enough. Close enough. His eyes are definitely more, like this. Posing. Let's go get him some of that. Almost kind of cucky. Yeah, that's him. I wish I could make him in Tomodachi Life. Like, just hand me over your DS, your not DS, but your thing, and I'll do it. Target loaded. Let's go. He's the type to do stargazing for sure. Game chat? Is that even allowed? Game chat, I'll stream the game. No, it's okay. I'll just have to get it on my reward. Thank you for the head pat. It's Destiny Sullivan. I hope you're having a good day. It would be really funny though. It would be interesting. I should get back to the math. I don't want to though. I don't want to math. I don't want to do math. But I'll like keep procrastinating, and I'm gonna have to do it tomorrow. Though I should go get dinner. Nah. Dating preferences? He likes girls. I'd say more in the not really interested in dating anybody, but more girls. You know what? We'll do karaoke tomorrow. I'm hungry and I'm gonna go. I've had chicken cooking all day. Probably time to go eat that. Was he a performative male? What does that even mean? Let me make a collage of all the characters that Deus is like, and that'll help. That'll help anybody who wants to add him into. What's it called? Into their game. Really gotta make that freaking. Rep sheet, especially if I want to do art fight. Alright, okay. Thank you everybody very much for being here. Sorry we didn't finish all the homework, but it's fine. We'll get it done next time. Let's see, who shall we raid today? Ooh, Wishkept is live. Love playing Wishkept. Has... Oh, Yan. We gotta stream Yan. My little dino Yan. She's playing Stardew Valley. Alright, go give her lots of love. She is the cutest Swedish Chinese VTuber I know. Please tell her ni hao ma. Ni hao ma? Yeah. Okay. Goodbye, everybody. Thank you very much. Take care now, okay? Goodbye. Bye. I hope you have a great day. You take care, everybody, and I'll see you again tomorrow. You know it. Tomorrow.